Are you coloring?
Daddy.
Huh? Hi. Come here, let's get this hair out of your face. Hi, baby. What you doing?
Gigi.
Red. Don't eat it. Don't eat it, please. It's not for eating. It's for coloring.
Daddy.
Oh, mommy. Are you singing?
Daddy.
You have it. Oh, 2 colors. 2 colors. Oh.
Daddy.
Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat the crayons, please. What are you doing? Elizabeth. Come here, let me fix your hair. Push your hair out of your eyes. Come here, baby. What are you doing down there? Huh? Pick that crayon up. Don't eat it. If you're going to eat them, you cannot play with them. Don't eat them. Okay?
Daddy.